Hey guys, happy Friday, happy Vlogmas day, 19, it's 19. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my dad. I'm already packed. I have everything here. Clothes, extra shirts, books, makeup, because I'm going to stay in there for 3 weeks. So, yeah. And I brought a backpack and it has everything in here too. So yeah, that is my day so far. I'm just waiting for my dad. Like I said, yeah. Hope you all have a great day. This is gonna be a short vlog because just gonna chill once I get to my dad's house. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, notification bell so you won't miss out whenever I upload my next video. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hi guys. I really don't know what happened to our audio or the volume. So I'm here to open up packages that I brought from home. Don't mind the mess in the background. I ordered 2 different books. So I thought I'd open them with you. I got The Viscount Who Loved Me by Julie Quinn. I also got The Inheritance Games, Book 1. I read it already, borrowed it from the library, and I liked it. So I wanted to get a physical copy from Amazon. And I'm very happy. Yeah, those are the books that I ordered from Amazon. Did you read these? What do you think? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.